the dear students. In this video, I am going to start a new topic, that is sum of n terms of an AP. Now, in last video, we have completed our exercise 9A and we have seen in first topic the nth term formula. Now we are going to derive one new formula, that is sum of n terms of an AP. Here I have taken A plus D, A plus 2D, B and AP. Let it be one AP. Then let L be the last term of this AP and S be the sum of the AP. So now first of all I am taking sum of all these terms of AP. So A plus D plus and so on, plus L minus D plus L. The L be the last term and the previous term of L is L minus D. Now the next S is in a reverse order of this. All the terms I have added, means the last term comes first. So L plus L minus D plus and so on, plus A plus D plus A. So in reverse order, all these terms are added. So now on left hand side, I take addition of this first S and second S. So S plus S is 2S is equal to, on right hand side, A plus L plus D minus D cancelled. So A plus L plus and so on, from second last term minus D plus D cancelled. So we have A plus L and last term also A plus L. So how many times this A plus L? N times. Now left hand side 2S is equal to that n times A plus L terms. So we can write them as NA plus L. So here S is equal to, this 2 will come in denominator as n by 2 A plus L. Now L means the last term of an AP, but the last term means Tn, the term, nth term. And what is the formula for nth term? We have already studied priorly, students. So that is, I am writing here A plus n minus 1 into D. So I will substitute this formula here instead of L. So here I get n by 2 in the bracket A plus this Tn value, A plus n minus 1 into D. So here I derive my formula, that is n by 2 in the bracket A plus A, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So this formula is for Sn. This is for Sn, sum of n terms of an AP. You have to remember this, students, for the long time for solving our next exercise. Now let us take one more formula, that is Sn minus 1. Formula means sum of n terms minus sum of n minus 1 terms, what we get. Then students, here we'll take our formula just now we have derived. So here Sn means n by 2 in the bracket 2A plus n minus 1 into D, and minus Sn minus 1 is n minus 1 by 2 in the bracket 2A plus n minus 1 minus 1. So that will be n minus 2 into D. Now to derive the formula, first of all I take n by 2 multiplication with the first term in the bracket. So here I take n by 2 into 2A, minus sign in between. Similarly n minus 1 by 2 into the first term of this bracket 2A. I write them in one bracket and there is plus sign, so I write plus. Then this n by 2 into n minus 1 into D. means n by 2 multiplied by the second term of this bracket, and the next is minus n minus 1 by 2 will be with n minus 2 into d. So here multiplying n minus 2 into d. Now let us take the calculation, means 2 cancelled here, and we have left here one more thing. Here also I take 2 to cancel. So what is common here? A is common, that I take outside. Now from the first bracket A is taken common, so in the bracket n minus plus 1 plus, here in this second bracket you see I can take n minus 1 by 2d common in all. So now what is left in the bracket? There is n from the first term minus n minus 2 from the second term. This is left in the bracket. So here n plus and minus cancelled. So only a left, a 1 ja a, plus here n minus 1 by 2 into d, and here n minus n plus 2. So this minus n plus n cancelled, and this 2 also get cancelled with this denominator. So we have left with a plus n minus 1 into d. But whose? So this is a plus n minus 1 into d is nothing but our Tn formula. So we have completed here one more formula, students, that is Sn minus 1 is equal to term n. So you have to remember how this formula is applied. So I am explaining here that if there are 10 terms in AP, then the 10 terms in an AP. So S10 minus S9 is equal to term 10. You see, you take all the 10 sum and you separate all the 9 terms sum. Then which term is left? The last term will be left. So let us start our next exercise, exercise 9b, which is very important for you students. Now I am taking here. Now let us start our exercise 9b. So all the students, please open your textbook and understand the question first. First question is find the sum of. I am taking number 3 of it. So here I will take number 3. Find 17 terms of an AP. So here AP is 1 by 5, then minus 3 by 10, and then minus 4 by 5, and so on. This is the AP given. Now from this AP I can write our first term denoted as A, and common difference B is equal to minus 3 by 10 minus 1 by 5. Second term minus first term. So here we take LCM to solve this. Minus 3 by 10 minus 2. So here minus 3 minus 2 upon 10. So this is minus 5 by 10. So ultimately we get minus 1 by 2 as our common difference. Now we want to find first 17 terms. Means as 17 we want to find. So I substitute our formula n by 2. N means 17 and divide by 2. In the bracket 2a. 2a means 1 by 5 plus n minus 1. N minus 1 means 17 minus 1 into d. D means minus 1 by 2. Now, we will solve this accordingly by calculation. So, here 17 by 2 as it is. This is 2 by 5 and this is 17 minus 1, 16 into minus 1 by 2. So, this is cancelled as 8 za. And then This is 17 by 2, 2 by 5 minus 8. Taking LCM in the bracket, we get 5 LCM here. So I solve it as 17 by 2, then 2 minus 8 5s are 40 by 5. So here 17 by 2 into, so now here 2 minus 40 minus 38 by 5. So now by calculation we can get our answer. Before that, here 19 2s are 38. You can take cancellation. So the answer of our first is this minus 323 by 5. This is minus 323 by 5, and you can change this into mixed fraction as minus 64 integer, as minus 64 integer 3 by 5. So here we completed our number first, third. Now let us take exercise 9b, first, fourth one, that is find 24 terms of AP 0.6, 1.7, then 2.8 and so on. So here from this AP I can write first term is equal to 0.6 and common difference is equal to 1.7 minus 0.6, that is 1.1. Now we want the 24 terms of an AP. So I apply direct formula here of S24. So n by 2, 24 by 2, 2a, a means 0.6 plus n minus 1 means 24 minus 1 into d means 1.1. So here I substitute all the values. Here you can cancel as 12 2s are 24, and then in the next step 6 2s are 12. So 1.2 plus 23 into 1.1. So here in the bracket also we have taken simplification. Now solving further, this is 2 5 3 and putting point here, so 25.3. now adding in the bracket 1.2 and 25.3. So here I get, this is 26.5, and now multiplying 12 into 26.5, the answer is 318. So this is the final answer we found of question number 4 of first number. Exercise 9b, question number 2, find the sum. Taking number 2 of it, 7 plus 9 integer 1 by 2 plus 12 plus and so on plus 67, means the last term is 67 and the first term is 7. Common difference we can find second minus first. 9 2s are 18 plus 1, 19 by 2 minus 7, and taking LCM here we get like this 5 by 2. So this is the common difference we found, and the last term Tn is given 67. So here using Tn formula, first of all we have to find n value. So a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 67. Substitute values here. D value is 5 by 2 is equal to 67. Now solving it further, as to get our n value, n minus 1 into 5 by 2 as it is, this 67 and minus 7 on other side. Now n minus 1 as it is into 5 by 2 as it is, this is 60 we get. Now we can take this on other side. So n minus 1 is equal to 60 into 2 by 5. So here I get 12 2s are 24, and n value is, n is equal to 24, and this minus 1 come on the right side plus 1. So what is the n value we found here? 25. So we have to find sum of 25 terms of an AP here. Now I am taking here as 25. So using formula 25 by 2, 2a. A means 7 plus n minus 1. 25 minus 1, 24. Into t is 5 by 2. So now here I can cancel 12 2s are. So here 25 by 2, 2 sevens are 14 plus 12 5s are 60. This way we get the calculations. So 25 by 2 into 14 plus 60, 74. And by cancelling 74 by 2s are, we get 37. And 37 into 25, we get 925. So students, this is our final answer of question number 2, second. Now taking exercise 9b, question number 4. I am reading here question from the textbook. How many terms of the AP 54, 51, 48 and so on should be taken so that their sum is 513? So here AP is given as 54, 51, then 48 and so on. This is the AP given. And the sum is given, means Sn is equal to given 513. So what we want to find out here, how many terms are there in this AP, means we want to find n value. So from the AP, first of all I write A value, that is A is equal to 54, then D is equal to 51 minus 54 is equal to minus 3. So now using our Sn formula directly, we get n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into t. This is our Sn formula we are applying. And what the values we have, we are substituting here. N value we don't know, we want to find out. And A is 54 plus n minus 1 as it is, and here is minus 3. So this way we can solve. Here I'll take multiplication in a cross manner. So 513 into 2 is 1026 is equal to n as it is. And in the bracket we have 54 2s are 108. And this is minus 3n plus 3. Now next we have to add this 108 plus 3 in the bracket. So we get 111 minus 3n, and multiplying this inside 111n minus 3n square. Left hand side is 1026 as it is. So here we get one quadratic equation. Now rewriting this quadratic equation by taking them on one side, I get, this is the quadratic equation. Now these all are the multiple of 3. 311 and 1026 are all can divisible by 3. So I am dividing this equation by 3. So I get 37n plus 342 is equal to 0. Now we take the factors of 342 and they are 2, 3, 3, 19. These are the factors. So here we can use this factor like 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18, 19s are. So here minus 18n minus 19n plus 342 is equal to 0. This way we can find factors. And from first two terms I get n common and minus 18 minus other two terms 19 common and minus 18 in the bracket. So here we find two brackets, n minus 18 and minus 19 is equal to 0. So we get here two values of n is equal to 18 or 19. So according to our question we got our value of n here. Now Exercise 9b, question number 5. I am reading question here, students. Pay attention in your textbook. Question number 5. If the sum of first 9 terms of an AP is 72. So, sum of 9 terms means S9 is equal to 72. This is given to you already. And the common difference is 5. So, D is equal to 5. And find the first term and the 10th term of the AP. So first term means A we want to find and 10th term means T10 we want to find out here. So first of all, using our formula, students, for S9. S9 means SN formula here for 9 terms. So I use S9 is equal to 9 by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 means 9 minus 1 into D is 5. So this way we can apply our formula here. So here I get 9 by 2 and this value is already we are having 72, 2A plus 8 into 5. Now I am taking this crossway 72 into 2 and divide by 9 and is equal to, we will have 2A plus 8 5s are 40. So here I can cancel. So here 8 2s are 16 is equal to 2A plus 40. So here we get 2A is equal to 16 minus 40. And then we can find our A value as 16 minus 40 means it is, value is minus 24. So 2A is equal to minus 24 and A is equal to minus 24 divided by 2. So A is equal to minus 12. This is the first answer we found here. They asked to get A value first. Now let us find 10th term. So 10th term formula is A plus n minus 1 into D. So A plus 9D. Now A is already found here, minus 12 plus 9 into D is 5. So minus 12 plus 9 5 is 45. So I get 45 minus 12 is 33, which is my 10th term of this question number 5 they asked for. Now reading question number 6 of exercise 9b, everyone. So pay attention. The sum of the first 6 terms of an AP is 42. So S6 is equal to 42. In the first line it is given. The ratio of its 10th term to its 30th term is 1:3. So T10 ratio T30 is equal to, already given as 1:3. Then calculate the first and the 13th term of the AP. Means we want to calculate A and T13th value. So this we want to find out. Now first of all we will take S6 value and then we will use, first of all I use this T10 ratio T30. So T10 ratio T30 is equal to 1/3. This is already given to you. Now formula of T10 A plus 9D and formula of T30 A plus 29D is equal to 1/3. Now taking cross multiplication, here we will get our equation 1. So now 3A plus 27D by multiplying 3 and here by 1 A plus 29D. So now taking this A on other side, I get 3A minus A, 2A. And here 29 minus 27, 2D. So both the side 2 cancelled. So here I get A is equal to D. So this is the relation we found here first. Now we will take our S6 formula, students. So S6 is equal to 6/2, 2A plus n minus 1. N minus 1 means 6 minus 1, 5D. That I am writing here directly. This is the formula of S6. You can see I have already applied. Now using S6 formula here, we can cancel this as 3 twos are, this is 3 and 2a, and also instead of this b I can put a. Why? Because previously only we have solved that d is equal to a. So I have substituted instead of d here a value, so that I get 5 plus 2 7a. This is 7 threes are 21a, and as 6 value is already given in the question as 42. So we have to find our a value by 42 divided by 21. So that is 2. So a value is 2 here. Now we have to find T13 value also. So let us find T13. T13 is equal to A plus 12D. So here substituting values. So I am substituting here A value 2 plus 12 and D also 2. Why? Because A is equal to D here. So here 2 plus 12 twos are 24 is equal to 26. So here we get our T13 value as 26 and A value as 2. So this is A value and this is T13